you can create a free website in just minutes and go live with it. And that's what we're going to be showing in this video. So the first thing you do is you go to webdigital.com and you sign up. And once you sign up, you see this screen where you can do a new website. And in the new website, you can start with a variety of options, but the best ones are with the AI templates. So let's start with Test AI, and I want to create a simple website, a free website development platform with the power of AI, just like Web Digital. So in this case, what this is doing is it's taking this template that normally is used for a consultancy, and it's customizing all the text and then finding images from Unsplash and Pixabay that go with that text. And this was a starting point, as you can see. Yeah, so we got something very basic here. Some text is generated. There's some testimonials. Obviously, you can update these any way that you want. So our mission at Web Digital, for example. Yeah, so you can update this information. You can update the text as you want. Let's say you don't like this paragraph over here. We can say a slogan for a website builder, for an AI website builder. Short slogan. All right, and let's see what it comes up with. Effortlessly create your own online presence with AI, and we can get rid of the quotes. Yeah, you can update the text as you wish, as I showed. Sometimes it doesn't generate the best images, so like this one, it's not very relevant. You can easily change this, so we can using AI. So the image in this case, it can come up with like 3 different size options. This is like a squarish. This is more vertical, and this is more landscape. And in this case, we want to do more vertical, as you can see. And let's pick something that will go with this AI creating a website. So it's generating an image that will show AI creating a website. And obviously, it's going to be some kind of illustration. And the problem with the AI generated images is that they're usually very big and detailed. The resolution is big. So when you actually build that, you really cannot use it as is. So you can see it's generated an image here, but it's like 5 megabytes. You really should not be putting images this size. So what we're going to do is we're going to be optimizing this. We're going to first convert it to JPEG. So that brings it down to about 820K instead of 5 megabytes, which is much, much better. And for the width, we don't need it to be this much. We can probably have about 600 pixels. At 600 pixels, our size is about 266K, which is much more acceptable. Yeah, so we can actually save this, and we have our nice image here. Let's upload our logo here. So I'm gonna upload our logo. I think it's this one. All right. So we have a nice logo. Yeah. So you can actually check out the other pages over here. This is again a services page, another view that we had, and finally we have the contact page over here. Yeah, so you can update this any way that you want. You would set your address, customize it in whatever way you want, and then once you're done, you have to commit it. So this is the final version, and let's commit that. And so yeah, so once we go into the website settings, so this is actually showing you a preview. So note that we're not using the actual domain yet. So it's just a folder in subdomain in webdigital.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the domains, and it explains here. This video explains very in quite detail as to how you can go live. Let's just go over it very quickly. You would typically go to a registrar like GoDaddy. You would buy a domain, and once you buy the domain, you go to the DNS settings of that domain, and these are the 2 important lines over here. So and it explains over here that the CNAME record needs to be pointing to that, CNAME www, and this record, and also the root needs to be pointing to this. So it shows that. And yeah, once you have that, that's basically the domain is pointing to WebDigital servers. And then the second step is the domain connection. So you basically add the domain over here. In this case, it's already added, but it's pointing to a different website. So I'm just going to be changing it to the new website that we created, Test AI. And the SSL certificate is already retrieved. Again, you can watch this this video over here to see how to get the SSL certificate. So once you get that, it's automatically renewed, so you don't have to worry about it going forward. And yeah, so once we have this, let's just refresh our website, and there you go. So this is our website that we built in just minutes. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching.